How to enable dark mode in Safari. Hello guys. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us begin. So to enable dark mode in your Safari, what you can do is you can use the reader on your Safari. Now by reader, I mean you can tap on the left hand side and then there you should see an option that says reader. Now I don't have that feature right now, but what you can do instead of that to enable dark mode in Safari is simply go to your control panel. You'll see your brightness option, simply long press on it. And on the bottom left side, you will see the dark mode. Simply turn that off. After you turn that on, you will notice that the Safari is now in dark mode. And yeah, that is how you do it, guys. That is how you enable dark mode in Safari. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to hit the like button. Bye bye. Take care.